Hello ladies and gentlemen, once again welcome to Property Hunter Ghana. This is Mr. Addison and I am here in Abokobi, just along the Oyarifa Road, and I don't remember bringing you a commercial property before. I think this will be the first of its kind on the channel. It means that we are expanding our scope, bringing you some commercial properties. This is a factory, an existing factory where they manufacture roofing sheet, and they are selling the factory now as it is. It's just along the road, so that is the road, just along the road. What you see is that the land is actually lowered a little bit, so if you should buy this property, you have to fill out these portions and then this portion to fill it up a little bit to match the height of the road. I think when we were constructing the road, or they're about to construct the road, so they heap up the road a little bit, causing this side to rescend down and causing some water to settle here. The place is not a waterlogged area, but because of the way the road was constructed, the road was raised from the ground, so it means the water got stuck here. So you just have to, you know, fill out the front here, and then inside the yard here, this side. So one side of the land has been used, the other side is unused. So you have to fill this place up a little bit to match this side. So if you should fill out this place, you have your normal land. It's a 2 plot of land. I think they've used one plot for the manufacturing company, and their intention was to put up the warehouse on this side. So you could see the footing for the warehouse has already been done, and it was left like that, but the footing for the warehouse is there. So you put up a warehouse here, and the manufacturing site is just by your side. So when you manufacture your goods, you send it to the warehouse, and that will be it. And as I said, it was a roofing sheet company. Unfortunately, they've sold most of the machinery for the roofing sheet. So probably if you want to do roofing sheet in this place, you probably have to buy your own machines, or if you want to manufacture something else here, you will come out with your own machines. The size of the factory currently is a little over 3,000 square feet. A little over 3,000 square feet. Very huge one here. High ceiling like your normal manufacturing plant. Very huge. If you are coming to Ghana, or you want to come to Ghana to start a business, it's a fantastic opportunity. People who are looking to relocate to Ghana, the good idea is not just to come to Ghana and have fun, but you can come to Ghana and start a business as quickly as possible, so you don't have to start from scratch, putting up a manufacturing company or your warehouse and things. You have something here already available for you. You just bring in some machines and start manufacturing whatever product you want to manufacture here. I think it would be possible. That was the machine they used to use for the roofing sheet. So here you have the IBR machine. The machines that are available for sale are not included in the price, but if you want to start a roofing sheet company, this machine, what it does is what they use for the colored roofing sheet. So you see that nowadays in Ghana, most of the roofing sheets are colored, the long span colored roofing sheets. Most of the roofing sheets are colored, and this is the machine they use for that process. So you have your normal roofing sheet. If you want to add the color to it, like what we have in the corner there, you see there are, I think, 2 or 3 different colors of roofing sheet there. This is the machine they use for it, for the long span. And most people nowadays would rather want to get the long span roofing sheet instead of the short one. So if you buy this property and you want to use for a roofing sheet company, which would be a very good idea, you want to include this machine in that process, because you definitely need this machine. But if you have your roofing sheet company, or you are opening a roofing sheet company somewhere else, and you are looking for the IBR, this type of machine to include in your machinery, you can have this one at a very reasonable price. If you are interested, you can give me a call and we'll discuss it. I think these are the components. This is the control board, and then these are the components of the machine. Fairly used, almost brand new. You can see that it's very new, and you use it for a long time. Very strong one. Very, very, very nice. The control board and everything is there. Everything works perfectly well. So if you want to use this place for a roofing sheet company, a very good idea. Or if you are starting your own roofing sheet company, you will definitely need this machine in your arsenal, and you want it at a reasonable price. Just give me a call and let's discuss this. Very, very interesting one. Those of you who are looking to start a business in Ghana, you want to come to Ghana, start some company. Manufacturing is booming right now. A lot of people are coming into Ghana looking at starting up a manufacturing company because the economy is going on. People are buying stuff. Most people don't want to buy the foreign stuff. They want things that are made in Ghana here. You can come to Ghana, start a factory and start employing people and impacting on the economy in a positive way, instead of just coming to Ghana and having fun. A lot of people just come and have fun and go back, and that is it. The real deal is to start a company in Ghana, employ people, and make a difference. That is what Ghana is actually looking for. So you have a great opportunity here to jump straight into the water without starting from scratch. You have a huge property here where you could start a manufacturing company, or you could just use as your warehouse, or as the owner initially wanted to do, you manufacture here and then you extend the other side for the warehouse, and you have a full this thing on your hand. All the documents to the land are already in place. The permit for manufacture is already there. You probably have to renew it. The permit for the warehouse and the manufacturing plant already has been secured. So you are just moving in and, you know, bringing in your machineries and doing your own thing. Whatever business you want to do is possible here. With Mr. Addison, I told you, everything is possible in Ghana. You just have to have the right mentality, you know, and come and start doing things. Everything is possible.